Okay, so now we will do some exercise, right? And today I want you to use the data. No missing value first here. Please download no missing value here. No missing value because we don't want to handle the missing value issues. And then I will teach you the one-hot encoders and KNN. And this is your exercise. So I will do once. So this is follow-up. This is follow-up. One-hot encoder and K nearest neighbor. So follow-up for me, from me, and then you will do your data set, but this is different data set. Today I will use the bank data set, then you will do it in Titanic data set. Okay, so back to here. So we create a new one and clean the console. Yeah. So what's the difference today? The bank data with no missing value here. I put it on the DAX and I check the name here. Yeah. First, we load the data first. Input pandas PD first. Then we use the bank pandas here. Read CSV and put the name inside. And sure, please make your name and the topic here. And today this topic will be one-hot encoding. And K-nearest. Okay. And one thing I want to remind you, next week, I want you to, when I finish that part, I want to let you know, next week, I want you to find a data set for your final report. You have to find a data set for yourself, okay? But what we will do is covered by this semester what I teach. If I do not teach that part, I will remove that part you have to do, okay? So what do we have to do? You record it, you memorize, you save your file, then you can use your file to do your final project. The same code, just different variable. Okay, if you know how to replace the data and the attribute, you have to handle the processing, then it will be very easy. So first, import the pandas as PD and we get the data from here. Then run. Save us. Today go that. Pain is neighbor. Okay, and here. And run. So we get everything here and there's no missing value, right? So first, we want one-hot encoder. So for sex, actually, I want to let you know, actually sex, because it's only two value, car and married and etc. They are all two attribute, right? It's just like a Boolean value. It's actually Boolean value. We can use label encoder. It's totally fine. 就是如果它是两种值，你用你用那个 label encoder 也可以，一个是偏向0，一个是偏向1。好 ，But for region 像这种居住区域，我们就应该要用 one-hot encoder， 因为它的地区没有排序。我当时有说 ，when we use the label encoder, we suppose there is a distance between the center of the city。我们有假设这样 ，but actually it's not. So we have to do the one-hot encoder。Okay, so we have to transfer all the other variable here. For example, the sex. First is sex. So we have to use the package from scalar dot preprocessing. Always preprocessing. 张家人，你不用做吗 ？Import one-hot encoder. So I use the OHE as the one-hot encoder. And remember, The one-hot encoder is very special. Just don't like the label encoder. This, you have to use a sparse out equal false. We don't want the sparse matrix. So please remember this part. Otherwise, it will fail. Okay, because we want to learn the one-hot encoder, so we make every attribute one-hot encoder. For example, sex. For sex, okay, equal one-hot encoder fit transform who? Then sex. Okay, then we can find the sex, right? So you have to use the double bricks. 这边要用双挂号。这个 one hot encoder 它跟之前不一样，单挂号，这个要双挂号。Then we get the 6. So here, note. Different from label encoder. Here, have to double brick. Okay, this is sex. But now it's array. 它现在是 array 哦。But now it's array. We need the data frame. 那怎么办呢？那就转了。好 ，sex 等于 pandas 点 data frame 转好，我们把它转过来。Okay. So it's have a data frame, but the color name is disappear. 它的，因为你转了嘛。But without the color name. 那没有这个怎么办呢 ？OK， 那我们需要一个技巧。Sex， 它既然是 data frame， 它的 colors equal one hot encoding the categories on the line， 它的 zero 第0栏就有这个 male and female perfect right okay easy next is region so we do the same things to select the region. For example, we copy it and make it as region. And we use the pandas. Region. And then finally, we use the region colors equal. One-hot encoder categories 0. Then we get the region name here. See, inner city, rural, suburban, and town, and focus on each row. Only one will be hit. So this is one hot encoding. 只有一栏只有一个值会中。好，那简单。region 好了，下一个是什么 ？Let me see. sex region income 不用改，因为它是数值型啊。Married, okay. Next one is married, so we just copy it and transfer just like married. Okay, and go. So the married here we have a yes and no. Okay. 那下一个是什么呢？是 car. car. 好，问题来了 ，car 也是 yes 跟 no。那等一下会出点问题哦。那我先停在这边等你一下。不然我们先把所有的都弄完，我再等你好了哈。Car 跟 save account 好像这是重复动作，我们大家一起再来解决这个问题。Save account 就叫 save account。save account， 再来是 current account 储存。This is one finished and then copy paste to the other. And final part 最后一个 final part is mortgage， 就是贷款抵押品，房贷啊就是要有个抵押品，动产。Okay, done. So I'm waiting for you. Continue now. 等你一下哦。